What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about 5 Slack alternatives. In today's fast-paced work environment, effective communication tools are essential for collaboration. While Slack is a popular choice, several alternatives offer unique features and pricing options. Here's a look at 5 noteworthy alternatives: Microsoft Teams, Google Chat, Pumble, Rocket.Chat, and Chanty that cater to diverse team needs and preferences. Let's start with Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a robust collaboration platform that integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365. It offers features such as chat, video conferencing, and file sharing, making it ideal for organizations already using Microsoft products. With its comprehensive tools, Teams is perfect for teams needing reliable communication and collaboration, with pricing starts at $6 per user per month. Google Chat. Google Chat is part of Google Workspace, designed for teams familiar with Google's ecosystem. It supports group chats and file sharing while integrating smoothly with Google Docs and Sheets. This straightforward messaging tool is well suited for small to medium-sized enterprises. Google Chat offers a free version with additional features available through Google Workspace subscription. Pumble. Pumble is a user-friendly communication tool that stands out for its unlimited message history in the free plan. It includes channels, direct messaging, and video calls, making it versatile for teams of all sizes. Pumble's cost-effective solution ensures that users can communicate without limitation on message history, with paid plans starting at $2.49 per user per month. Rocket.Chat. Rocket.Chat is an open-source alternative that offers extensive customization and branding options. It features real-time translation, end-to-end encryption, and a live chat client, making it a secure choice for organizations. Its flexibility allows businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. Rocket.Chat is free for up to 1,000 users, with paid plans starting at $7 per user per month. Chanty. Chanty is a simple yet effective communication tool that includes a built-in task manager. It provides unlimited message history even in its free plan, along with audio or video calls in task assignment from messages. This intuitive interface makes it ideal for small teams seeking efficient communication and task management capabilities. Paid plans are available at affordable rates after the free tier. In conclusion, choosing the right communication tool can significantly enhance team collaboration and productivity. Each of the alternatives to Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Chat, Pumble, Rocket.Chat, and Chanty offers unique features tailored to different organizational needs. Evaluate your team's requirements to find the best fit for seamless communication and effective workflow management. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.